hide a herb and come. Me have to fight war in a story. I'm too happy for ball up my throat. We are the government. I'm under strict management. Management. Boy, sir. It's like a whole team. Them don't want me to ball out my throat. Because when I ball out my throat fuck up. RT, go read my story. Them come remember say you did block me. I think, you know, I don't. Yeah? Yeah? Is this still a keep? You still in your feelings, sir boy? Like, you know your feelings, sir boy? Like, I'm still waiting on the lawyer paperwork. We don't argue. I'm waiting on the paperwork. I told y'all how I battle with y'all niggas. This is year of 2024. I have a public service announcement. Yeah, from Momo, the chimpanzee that's in the front of the zoo. Y'all niggas in the back. Y'all gotta climb on everybody else to get in the front when I'm already in the front, so I don't really give a fuck about what's going on behind me. In 2024, we are gonna expose the fakes, the phonies. That's what we're doing. We are promoting good entertainment and showing you guys, all when me no look, you still gotta call my name. You still concerned. You just made a whole video about Momo did that ball over my mind with that. Yeah, the video up there. Think I was gonna take it down? I'm supposed to ugly. But you know, Mr. Pedophilia, man. Why? And you know what's crazy to me though? Because I would have been disgusted from I heard that. I would have never spoke to you again. Everybody know. Whoever knows how I get down when it comes to certain things. Principles. You now, Mr. Man. Hold on, baby. I'm going to add you. I think it's your birthday. Because I'm going to start over live, baby. I don't even want you over here. When I'm going to start it off, I'm going to come off and you come back, Nisi. When I start over. Come in, I want you. They see a kind of serious. You know, Mr. Man, RT. Yeah, read my story. Cause I don't want to think you up here and you should have up your smaller teeth. Cause look like from me get the blood clot teeth, them you just run off your mouth. You know what I notice? Say you lose weight and you gossa. And what? No, I still have it. It wasn't a Tesla, it's a Polestar. You lose weight and you gossa. But this is better for gas. I'm gonna drive Uber. And it's like you think you're a bad bitch. You remind me of one of those bad bitch that take down all those old pictures when their body work gets done. You know, when they fall, how they settle in and they forget the shit that they really do out here. That's what you remind me of. I would never squeeze and scream out my throat of you. I gotta save my throat because I was screaming at you. See when did I argue it? Do we? Wasn't crying, you know, just love run with everything. I was crying over the dead man. The post is still on my other page. Yeah, make sure y'all follow my backup. Momo, still fed up again? Yeah, make sure you follow my backup. Go over there and follow that backup. Yeah, because I'm stay over there sometime with some of my little shenanigans. But, nigga, you still on my name? You still mad? You still trying to box it out my mouth? Remember, say, I already said little boy, a old boy, my fuck. I don't fuck children. I could never fuck children. You're fucking children. You're fucking boys. You know what I'm saying? That's what you do. I would never want to be associated with you, bro. You know, so I'm going to do already. You don't know, once we hear that come out with my 1, 2 ears, them, I would have never associated myself with you. Everybody know how my time when it come to them something there. You fuck me. Maybe you look like a little boy, it a bother your RT, come like little bill. You look like that a bother your RT, come favor little bill. So you didn't want to fuck me, come ugly, I look like little boy. And that's how you're upset. Huh? That's what's going on? You didn't want to fuck me, come look like little boy and me a little bill. It looks big of yourself, Box TV. So it coming like that a bother you. Listen. I'm still waiting on the paperwork, RT boss. You were supposed to do defamation of character and say I was lying for weeks and all this shit. We're waiting. I'm waiting on the paperwork. Like, that shit is weird. What, the clout not running for you over there, so you decided, hey, let me do a video and call Momo's name because everyone's calling Momo's name? Nigga, I don't give a fuck about this shit. But you now, you dying over there struggling. You understand what I'm saying? You buy views. Your likes don't match up. Now you trying to use what's a name fame to get a name, because that's all you do. You jump on everybody fucking battering. It's still not work. But I'm still waiting on the paperwork. Because remember, weeks ago, oh my lord, you gonna talk for me. Time's hard right now, so you can't trick your followers them. They must have never buy up your from you know. Your favor blood clot, itty boo. Ha! One thing them can't say me buy no obia from you. Your favor itty boo. Tell us me used to use a super promotion, me look, that's what we do. We take people for idiot on the internet now. To buy products, it's advertising. I advertise the soap for you. Oh, I think me use the soap and this and this. But suck your mama boy. Pure badness back at that. I be outside. Y'all don't act up when you're home or I'm home. Act up when you could tell me, pull up mama, make y'all beat me. That my love. Let them beat me. What's wrong with you? It's weird. But anyway, like I said, I'm still waiting on the paperwork, and you have bigger problems than me. I hope you're fucking the spiritual thing them where y'all go through. Like when them I give you reading and them something there. Or what them tell you what really in store with you. God, that you for blood clot worry about and on a social media thing either, Papa Chula. Make sure you have up your liar money. Don't wait until you go to prison, because you cannot go live from prison. You understand? Because you're not top man. You just gotta be one of them fuck out and put you in a clothes because you're a Batman. You just want to come out. You always say, yeah, me a Batman. Yeah. That's why you do that. So at the end of the day, in your head, when I run joke and I say, just like you got to talk about me rape the boy, or what she say, whatever. Yeah. You like to throw it out there. So in your head is you're really not lying about what you're doing. But yeah, what? You'll be alright. You'll be alright. You'll be okay. So make sure you have your money. Make sure you make money off of this thing. Where you're gonna have money when you go to prison, boy. You know what I'm saying? The time you worry about me and my body, I'm supposed to cry over dead man. And you just couldn't wait. You're so gullible through them telling them send the video of me, I cry over the dead man, I say I do it. You run with it. But that's what you're supposed to do. Good job. Good job. Sit boo boo blood clot sit. Cause soon as my name call on I have to respond. The only thing is, my name not gonna call in pedophile and certain thing though. One could have called me ugly, one call me big pussy, one could have called me fuck out. Or Momo, you want to have 2, 6, 7, 8 man and all of this shit. But guess what? Y'all niggas will never get to call me certain things in real life. Mama, you're such a fucking lunatic. You're weird. You're the Ubia man that got mad because you couldn't read if I was fucking with Dewey or not. That was the real thing. You're mad because I boxed his hood away. So it direct never, ever will get a chance to go in your mouth. Because when them a ball out him a Batman not come forward and say them fuck Dewey. Oh, now I got to pay somebody for do that. And at the end of the day, man know himself. But you know how it work. You're upset. You notice I don't scream not one time. I'm not moved. I'm not bothered. I feel like this is a circus and you're my fucking clown. You understand what I'm saying? I feel like that you're a circus. Run thing me run my own blood clot circus. Me a ring blood clot master. But you's a grown man. I'm a girl. I really have a pussy. 5 pity come from under here. I don't know why you're always competing with the bitches. I bet I only did go just stick with Amari to blood clot. But to bad, everybody know me turn already. Because I not take none of this serious. When me all go over Amari, we actually entertain people. And keep it the fuck moving. Uno really out here fighting for your spot. It is what it is. She's classical. She know what the fuck she's doing. She's really just entertaining motherfuckers. You understand? She not balling out, uno, bomba clat every time. I got to come off live. You guys have a good day. I didn't raise my voice. I don't know why I'm being placed under management. But big up yourself, guys. Don't want a problem tonight. Yes. I was done in RT on live. Nah, cause I'm really gonna fuck him up. Like, I'm gonna go out where I know he is by myself, and I'm really gonna fuck him up. That's what I'm gonna do.